Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide we will walk through the syllabus for Cisco C-Series servers for Account Manager so you know exactly what to study and how to prioritize your time. Overview of the exam syllabus and weights. Cisco Cloud Security Solutions 25%, Cisco Network Security Solutions 25%, Threat Landscape and Cisco Security Strategy 20%, Cisco Endpoint Security Solutions 20%, and Cisco Security Services and Integration 10%. Each domain lists difficulty, estimated learning time, and the assessment type so you can plan focused study sessions. The exam combines conceptual questions and scenario-based assessments to test both knowledge and real-world judgment. Cisco Cloud Security Solutions is weighted at 25% and rated medium difficulty with an estimated 12 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn DNS layer security fundamentals with Cisco Umbrella and how secure Internet Gateway capabilities and intelligent proxy inspection protect roaming users. The syllabus covers app visibility and control to manage shadow IT and deployment models for distributed users, plus integration patterns with SD-WAN. You will also learn CASB operations with CloudLock covering DLP and SOS, UEBA. OAuth application security and API-based protection for multi-cloud policy orchestration. Cisco Network Security Solutions is 25% of the exam, marked hard with about 15 hours of study and primarily scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches advanced firewalling using Cisco next-generation firewalls including firepower threat defense, NGIPS integration, advanced malware protection and application visibility and control. You will practice managing Firepower Management Center, plan high availability and clustering for enterprise scale, and design identity-driven access using Cisco Identity Services Engine. ISE topics include Zero Trust Principles, Policy Enforcement and Micro-Segmentation, BYOD and Guest Access Workflows, Device Profiling, TrustSec Tagging and PX Grid Integration. Threat Landscape and Cisco Security Strategy accounts for 20%. Rated easy with an estimated 8 hours and a mix of conceptual and scenario tasks. You will learn the modern threat landscape including ransomware trends, the attack continuum and how Cisco Talus provides threat intelligence and rapid vulnerability response. The domain explains Cisco's integrated security architecture and how security acts as a business enabler to reduce time to detection and improve response. Expect to study platform versus point product approaches, open APIs for interoperability, and how to evaluate total cost of ownership in security programs. Cisco Endpoint Security Solutions carries 20% of the exam weight, is medium difficulty, and requires around 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will master endpoint detection and response capabilities in Cisco Secure Endpoint including file sandboxing, retrospective analysis and exploit prevention. The syllabus teaches advanced searching with Orbital, endpoint isolation and remediation workflows, and how to integrate endpoints with SecureX for coordinated response. You will also cover Duo multi-factor authentication deployment, device health and visibility, adaptive access policies, single sign-on integration and methods to secure remote access. Cisco Security Services and Integration is 10%, medium difficulty, and is estimated at 6 hours with conceptual and scenario focus. This domain explores Cisco SecureX for unified visibility, automated playbook orchestration, threat response and case management with third-party SIEM and SOAR integrations. You will study dashboard customization, reporting and ways to accelerate incident investigation, plus Cisco professional services offerings like advisory, incident response, managed security services and implementation optimization. The emphasis is on leveraging services and integrations to create a unified, resilient security posture for customers. That wraps up the syllabus overview for Cisco C-Series servers for Account Manager. Use the domain weights, difficulty and estimated hours to build a study plan and focus on the hands-on scenarios and core concepts highlighted in each domain.